Amoy Taiwan na.
Wala yun.
Okay. Kaohsiung na. First time ko sa Kaohsiung. So, lagi ko sa itong Taipei. Mag-CR muna. Ay, thank ko kayo. Who are ready to explore?
Yes!
Welcome to Kaohsiung! So yan, sasakay na kami ng train. Magka-train na lang kami kasi maaga pa naman. At bukas pa yung train. Para ma-experience na agad ang Taiwanese commuting. So ganito kaganda MRT nila, malinis, maayos, and everything. So ayan nila oh. Ang luwag kasi no, luwag ng train station nila.
Side by side, the Love River.
Yes.
Okay, good, good. Wang, Mr. Lee, you know.
Ah,
And
yeah.
Lao Jiang is older Mr. Jiang, you know. Lao is old. Okay, okay.
Third floor.
Hi.
So,
Okay,
ay,
nandito
dapat
na kami.
nag-vlog ako.
Oo nga
Nagchichikan
eh.
kami ni Kuya.
Ay, hindi meron. Nag-vlog
Meron.
ako, nag-video.
Yes, best in chika.
Uy, may ano pala eh. May angkas.
Okay, nandito na tayo. Woo!
There.
Ay, kabog, alam niya na agad. Ayan, so nandito na kami. Ang tahimik sa hotel namin, guys. Grabe, pagpasok mo, ano agad ka, agad B.
Pasok ka na sa bahay ko. Wow,
O, pwede na.
look at the CR.
Look at the CR, may kita ang puwet.
Trono mo yan.
Kabog yung view dito, B.
Ha? Trono mo yung CR. Anak? Ano, gusto ko mag-picture dyan. Andito sa taas, tapos dyan yung picture lagi. No, ang ganda kayo. Ayun mo yung bata nga. Oh. Gusto mo kasi.
Oo nga, no?
Diba, ang ganda dyan.
Ayan, so lalabas muna kami for dinner. Baka mag-night market kami. Kasi medyo tonggots na ang mga food. Ay,
Mag-notes tayo.
kabukingan mo.
Pwede ka mo nga.
Oo, pwede yan. Ayan, so pupunta naman kami sa night market.
Sa Fusion Alley.
Dahil na
Alley
sa
kami
Fusion
ngayon.
Alley, ala Taiwan. Seatbelt.
Sorry. Ano?
Hi guys! So, naiwan kami dalawa ni Ate Kenjan. Kasi,
Kaang-taang ka. Hindi na nakaya.
ayan. So guys, naiwan kami dalawa ni Ate Kenjan. Kasi yung kasama namin, natain na siya. kami ba talaga hindi marunong dito? Meron ka bang Uber? Okay.
2,000 years later.
Okay, we're back sa aming hotel.
Oh, anong we're back?
Vlog pala sila. I'm so sorry, I need to go back at our hotel kasi yung chan ko. So yon, ngayon ay nag-ano na kami na prepare na kami matulog dahil bukas meron kaming tour. So yan. So yun lang guys, good night.
The next day.
Okay, first full day. So meron kaming booking sa clock today at pupunta na kami sa meeting place. Nagugutom ko, wala kaming kinain kagabi. Oo. Diba? Gutom ang mga person. Parang maraming food pero hindi kami nabusog. Unlike talaga na may kanin, ulam. Pinoy na Pinoy yan. Saan mapunta ang mga turista? So, saan yata? Asan tayo? Moon World. Welcome to... Saan tayo?
Sa Parak.
Park.
May movie.
Kuya, paangkas nga.
May movie ka.
May move it.
Taga-kinig kasi siya yung mag-explain mamaya.
Parang lahar, wood, ano. Ayan, oh.
Taiwan's mud rock language accounts 3% total land size.
Omido for the beat.
Iba kasi hindi sumasama sa tour kaya di ayun. Ay, yung paglapag dito. Kaya pinpromote ko lang tayo. Wow.
Sa Sambales lang pala tayo pupunta. Hindi mo naman sinabi.
Nasa Porac, Pampanga na tayo.
Nag-hike kami ng di oras na, hindi kami ready. Good ate.
Omido for the beat.
Okay, nasa boss na ulit kami. Napagod yan. Sobrang init ngayon, as in 28 degrees Celsius. Tapos may pakyat-akyat pa dun, somewhere there. Wow. So yun, kapagod B. Para daw yan buksan, nak. Ayun.
Ay, shake siya. Ay,
Shake siya, day. So, 160 pesos. Pwede na din. Ayan, for the combo. Ang init dito, day. Pero nandito na kami sa may Buddha. Yung malaking Buddha. Mainit ngayon dito sa Taipei. Ay, hindi pala tayo sa Taipei. Sa Kaohsiung pala.
I never thought it'd be this bad. I got these morning monsters in my head.
So, andito kami doon sa may Grand Buddha. Grabe, sobrang init. Nag-picture.
I tell these buyers my brain can't be bought. I'm not a liar, I'm just feeling lost. So lost. I can't fake it, it's just another day of feeling lost. I just take it. I lay here and I tell myself I'm gonna be better. Another day gone, but tomorrow I know I'm gonna be better, better. I'm gonna be better, better. Another day gone, but tomorrow I know I'm gonna be better, better. I've been staring at my phone all afternoon, hoping someone's gonna tell me what to do and help me crawl my way out of this blues. Is it you?
Ayan, so inikot namin yung Fo Guangxiang Shan Buddha Museum. Laki niya.
I lay here and I tell myself I'm gonna be better. Another day gone, but tomorrow I know I'm gonna be better, better. I'm gonna be better, better.
Yan, so naka-half day na kami ng aming tour. At nandito kami sa, ano nga to?
Lotus Pond.
O, so anong meron dito?
So, meron ditong may dragon, tapos may
Ay, may
lion.
dragon. May dragon. Yeah, Dragon Ball. Mother Dragon.
So, kailangan namin pumasok doon. And then, ano yung isa? Basta, meron pa doon
Lotus.
mamaya. Yeah, so we're here. Angas.
Go, usted! Go, usted! Go, usted!
Ayun, pinakain ko ng tigre.
Tigre ng Norte! Kaya nandito kami sa loob ng pagoda. Kasi pagoda na kami. Parang ano lang, nasa Ilog Pasig. Ano na to? Asan muna tayo? Asan tayo? Nasa BGC na tayo.
Sa PNR.
PNR in the future.
Nasa McKinley.
Asan tayo ngayon?
PNR ulit.
Bridgetown. Hindi, sa Ilog Pasig to eh. So sa Linear Park. Asan na daw? Ganda.
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drank too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay.
It's a Sunday morning and we're going to
Taipei!
Thank you. Ako rin parang bete, wag na. As a gaya-gaya person. Ayan, pupunta na kami sa sa Zoying Station para sumakay ng bullet train. 105.
Of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder, we ain't ever getting older.
Look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay and play that Blink 182 song that we beat to death in Tucson. Okay. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years no call. Now I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older. We ain't ever getting older. We ain't ever getting older. Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drank too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of that mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older.
Pagoda. After namin mag-bike, umakit kami dito sa taas. Pero ang ganda. Doon kami nag-bike, oh.
Look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay and play that Blink 182 song that we beat to death in Tucson. Okay. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years no call. Now I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop.
2,000 years later.
Ayan, magpa 5:30 AM at punta na kami sa TSHR station. Hindi kami natuloy pag-Taipei kahapon. So, ngayon kami pupuntang Taipei.
Uy, gigas na yan ang tinapa. Yan yung favorite ni Trish. Nakikita siya. Ang dami niya kinukuha.
Sige na, kuhain mo. Mag-thank you ka.
Nothing's ever perfect, and I would know 'cause I'm the one to blame. Let's just take a moment, 'cause I don't want this to cause a pain. I can't take it back. No, I can't. No, I can't. My hands are tied. Is this the end? When I feel alive, I know it's true. I know I won't survive without you. Yeah, nothing can be worse than the shelter pulled right on.
放离开，没有理由的。
没有人可以去等待，不知不觉的放开你，我们都没有那勇气 ，baby。I'm sorry, I'm so lonely。
我们的。
No, I can't.